Abu Dhabi Motors were the first company to introduce ceramic-based paint protection product to the United Arab Emirates market. The product was designed to be used on boats and yachts in order to protect them against the harsh conditions of sea and salt water. It is designed to be able to protect the surfaces of the car against the harsh conditions that we're under. We've educated customers of the benefit of protecting the investment that they've made, their new BMW Mini and Rolls-Royce car, and they now ask for it by name. Gtechniq really seals the paintwork and it makes it so much easier to clean dirt and grime from the surfaces. It also combines with applications for the interior surfaces, the glass, as well as the alloy wheels. Product also carries a 5-year warranty, so it gives peace of mind. It's our duty to inform customers that it's better to purchase a proven, effective and reliable product from a reputable company as opposed to other products that are in the market that are not proven or able to fulfill their promises. Simply, Gtechniq is the best product available, and there should be no compromise on the quality of products offered to discerning customers.
Firstly, the car is meticulously prepared to make sure there are no imperfections or swirls in the paintwork. Then the platinum coat is applied and allowed to cure, and this provides excellent protection against UV rays, against chemical fallout, against the build-up of swirls and scratches. It also makes maintenance a dream because the coating is very hydrophobic, so it repels water, it repels dust, and makes keeping the car clean very, very easy. Choosing Platinum Kit for your car means you also get protection for the glass, for the wheels and for the interior. The coating is applied to the windows. It's very hydrophobic, which means it repels water, improves visibility, and once again makes the glass very easy to keep clean. For the interior, we have 2 coatings, one for the leather and one for fabric. Both coatings incorporate BioCoat, which means that once the coating has been applied, they're effectively 99.9% germ-free, creating a very hygienic surface, also protecting against any spills or odours.
My name is Manny Alves and I'm the Regional Sales Manager at Abu Dhabi Motors, the largest BMW Group facility in the world, based in the United Arab Emirates. We hold our customers' best interests in all the decisions that we take, and we have an exceptional combination of cars, parts and accessories in order to ensure a premium ownership experience.